Okay, welcome back, home workout, home body weight workout fans. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do some back exercises, and to do the back exercises, I'm going to use the chair, and I'm going to do them two ways. Okay, first of all, I'm going to do them like so. I'm going to put my hands like this, and then just lift myself up. So make sure your hands are kind of firmly on there. Then I'm going to do them the other way with my hands on the floor. So let's start with this one. Just look up at the ceiling as you're doing them. Okay. Make sure your feet are firmly planted. Hands in a good position. And make sure you're always in control of the motion. Okay. These are actually pretty challenging if you do them correctly, because you're putting a lot of stress on your back. Again, so I just put my hands in a nice, comfortable position here. Okay, make sure they're firmly planted. Make sure they're balanced, and in terms of the weight of the chair, so you don't knock the chair over and injure yourself. Okay, put one foot over the other. Look up at the ceiling, and just lift yourself up. And make sure you're always kind of in the center of the upward motion. Make sure you're pushing your body up from the center, not at an angle. Try to feel out the maximum level of difficulty, the maximum level of resistance that you can get into. In terms of the motion, the upward motion and the downward motion. If that makes sense. So look up at the ceiling. And I'm trying to lift straight up. Even though the momentum of my body wants to go at an angle, I'm trying to push straight up against the momentum of the motion to add a little bit of extra difficulty to it. So when my body is trying to go this way at an angle, I'm actually trying to push straight up. So I'm pushing against the natural motion. Okay. Go up at the ceiling again and lift up. And hold on the last one. Find that I can't really do many of these. They're actually quite challenging. But I'm just going to do as many as I can to pretty much complete fail. Maybe not complete fail. It's not good to go to complete fail every time. But this is a very effective back workout, and it will get you pretty ripped in the back, and it gives you a really nice pump as well. All right, so let's go at it again. Again, hands firmly placed, one foot over the other, looking up at the ceiling, lifting straight up. Always in control. Okay, and that's it. Nothing difficult about that. Basically like an angled, back press. So a nice little workout, nice effective little workout. Let's keep going. Just kind of hold it on the way down on that last one. But you will find it gives you a pretty good pump. You just flex a little bit here. It's a nice little back pump. I usually flex for about 20-30 seconds. Give that extra muscle rip, that extra muscle tear. Okay, and there we go. Next one. And With this, you'll find that your muscles get fatigued pretty quickly. It's quite difficult, actually. So, yeah, your muscles get tired pretty quickly. But I'm going to go maybe one more time just to go to complete fail on this. Okay. All right, just hold it in the last one. Okay. So I'm pretty much done with those. So what I'm going to do to superset it out is I'm going to do it the opposite way. So now my hands are on the floor this way, and I just going to do it a little bit close in this time, a little bit less than shoulder width, and just kind of lift up. And you find I can't do many after those ones. Those ones are actually quite challenging. So I won't be able to do very many after the original exercise, the first exercise. But this does give you a pretty effective back workout. All at home, something you can do in the convenience of your own home without spending a lot of money or going to the gym and whatnot. Waiting for machines and all that. I like the gym. I'm not knocking the gym. I do like the gym too. Again, looking up at the ceiling. All right. So again, this is just kind of a superset. It's a nice little pump, a nice little body workout. Very effective, very targeted, and very precise. You can target. You can do as many as you can. Go to fail, and there's not much chance of injury. Very little chance of injury as long as you keep your form straight and everything, and you really don't overdo it. And you always stay in control of the motion. All right, so let's start again. Hands less than shoulder width this time. Come close in grip. So, yeah, that's actually getting pretty challenging now. The angle of the press up, the back press up, adds a little bit of extra difficulty to it. You can do them on the floor too. You can do a straight one just on the floor with your feet like this, and just kind of do a straight one like that, and that's actually pretty challenging too. But this adds a little bit of extra difficulty to it, and it targets a different area of the back, the upper back. All right, so let's go again. Again, head up, looking at the ceiling. And my muscles are really, really tight now. Whew. That is quite a challenging back workout. All right, let's give it another flex. So just kind of flex my back. Kind of give it a little bit extra tear for about 20-30 seconds. Just to give it that extra rip to your muscles. Give that extra rip to your muscles. All right. That should be about good enough. Close to good enough then. Let your muscles know you're thinking about them, All right, and let's do one more. This is a nice little topper. All right, so that should be about enough. And then I'm going to hold it on the last one. I'm just going to do a quick hold, isometric. I just hold it as long as I can. It isn't going to be very long. Okay. So anyway, that is the back workout, and that did not take long at all. That was a very effective workout. My back feels very well pumped, and that did not take long at all. All right, well, thank you for joining me in Home Workout Fans. This is a very good workout. If you find you can do it at home, it doesn't take very long, and I do it in the morning. It takes me about 45 minutes to an hour. Great workout. I usually vary the legs and the abs. So, but this is a tremendous back workout, and it really works well for me. I have a very, as far as like pretty hard muscles as far as that's concerned. Thank you very much, and hope you enjoyed it, and have a wonderful day.